How do you run cloud agnostic application? First, use microcades, which is Kubernetes on Snap packages, like for Ubuntu. Maybe you're kind of thinking, no, it's too big. But for us, it works. Especially help is not sometimes just crashes, and at least Kubernetes could easily restart it. So number 2, Postgres. Mentioned before, I don't want to use any databases which are not open source, which are not that well supported. And Postgres, none of that. It's open source and community is huge. So you could easily find answers. You could easily ask like ChatGPT to write your queries, to ask administrative questions. You could easily find managed solution. So it's a pretty good one, and they actually support JSON-B, which is basically JSONs in database column, but with more like optimized native support. If you don't want to build all these schemas and managing it, you can use tables with JSON-B columns. It might be kind of also not that easy to manage, but like I personally use mixed solution. For some simple columns or which one needs to be indexed, they just keys with the correct data type. But if I want to dump something from, let's say, external API, some calendar event or something like this, I don't want to parse all this JSON into objects, create many tables, just dump into JSON-B. Okay, number 3 is Grafana. So instead of relying on cloud-provided monitoring, you could just run your own. Grafana is open source. You could deploy it yourself. It's not that easy to collect logs, so you would need several models. Grafana to show logs, Loki indexer, and I forget the last one. Just the model to collect logs from the application. And it's very similar as Elasticsearch Cloud Stack. Then you could create your own alerts in Grafana. You could build your own graphs for monitoring. Very good stuff. 4 is Metabase. Metabase allows you to easily create reports for your SQL database. So it works well with Postgres. You could create quickly reports. Even non-technical people could go there and build some basic reports without using SQL. Or you could generate SQL and ChatGPT passed it there. It's read-only, so there is no harm, and it's easy to create a link report and share with someone. You could even embed these tables in your own application if you don't want to build your own UI. Alright, that's how we run it. Stay tuned.